Dow Jones and Nasdaq both have traded with an extremely bullish bias today again and it has gone till you see US30 has gone close to 33,500 levels while US100 has seen 13,625. So now what to expect today with the US session, which position you should take in order to profit trading Dow Jones and Nasdaq, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, you can be part of my free telegram channel where you get the live updates. My free telegram channel link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we'll look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Now first let's have a look at the hourly charts for US100. Now look at hourly charts for your US100 here. See, higher highs, higher lows, which means the support there till 13,580 levels. Very good, 580, 570, and only if it breaches below these levels, that is 13,570, you can expect that Nasdaq 100 will try to drop further. Else till the time it stays between this zone, that is 13,570, 13,630 levels, for the 60 points, stay away from trading Nasdaq 100. See, stochastic overbought on the hourly charts, MACD divergent and bearish. It is crossed over here. It is right now looking down. RSI is near to overbought levels. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see the previous candle. First of all, the candle size was very minuscule. At the same time, higher highs are done. It may try to retrace a little, but look at the support here. It is getting at 13,570 levels, and hence any break below 13,570 should only be considered a bearish indication, below which you can expect 540, 500 levels as the very good support there on the downside. Now remember, Nasdaq 100, see, it is trading with the divergence from the 20 period moving average, which is right now situated at around 13,540, 520, 500 zone. So hence this zone is going to remain very important for Nasdaq 100. Only and only if it drops below 13,450 levels, you can expect the bearishness may prevail. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD is still bullish. It is trying to converge here. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is overbought. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour charts as well, see, possibly it may try to create the symmetry. 13,500, very good support. It can try to reach till towards these levels. Hence, a sell entry below 13,570 can be taken. Stochastic overbought. MACD is bullish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. It is still trading bullish. RSI very near to the overbought levels. Likewise on the 4-hour. Similar is the observation. See, already moving average is trading with divergence, and we can see the divergence from the moving average also. Hence, a conversion till towards 13,500, 450 levels cannot be denied. Remember this fact. Stochastic running overbought, MACD bullish, RSI is also trading overbought here. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at daily charts, higher highs are done. Even if it tries to retrace, 13,500 levels are going to be a very good support level. Now if you look at so far, see, higher lows, higher highs are seen. This time the slope is little change, and if it continues to trade bullish from here, see, 13,660 levels, 13,700 levels are the next resistance, and hence once it trades beyond 13,640 levels, you can expect more bullishness there. Stochastic overbought, MACD extremely divergent, extremely bullish. RSI is also trying to look upwards. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 13,630, 640 levels, and then expect 13,660, 700 as the next resistance zone. And if it breaks past 700, more bullishness may prevail in Nasdaq 100 and it is going to fly high. At the same time, below 13,570, you can stay short for 13,540, 500 levels, and then 450 levels can also be expected. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at Dow Jones, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd mentorship batch starts on 1st of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Let's start on US30 first. See, US30 on the hourly charts, you can find out flat bottom at 33,350 levels, and hence it needs to breach past by 33,350 levels in order to confirm a drop there. Till the time it stays above 33,350, we have to be watchful. Yes, it can try to come till 33,370 levels, but then 33,350 is the level below which only bearishness is going to prevail. Hence, you can sell at 33,350 levels. Stochastic overbought looking down. MACD has also crossed over, trading with little divergence looking downwards. RSI is also looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now see on the 2-hour charts too, see first of all, after a bit of retracement, it has tried to rise, and hence 33,350 levels are going to be a very good support, because below that it is going to get doomed for 33,300, 200 and below levels. Hence you should be watchful of this. Stochastic has retraced, MACD is bullish trying to converge, RSI is near to overbought levels. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts. Be watchful of 33,350 levels. Below that only we can see 33,300 and 200 levels. Stochastic looking down, MACD is still divergent and bullish, RSI looking down. And on the 4-hour charts, if you look at, see similar is the observation there. Drop there, retracement, almost double top or higher highs. Once it drops below 33,350, you can expect that Dow Jones is going to crash heavily for 33,300 and 33,150 levels also can be seen. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent bullish, RSI very near to the overbought zone. And if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily charts here. If you see, almost symmetry, almost double top, 33,500 levels, close to 33,500 are done, and possibly it may not try to breach those levels. And yes, below 33,300 we can expect that it is going to reverse strongly on the downside. Stochastic is seen rising, MACD is seen converging here. It has not yet crossed over, RSI almost flat. Considering this, a sell at 350 and a buy at 500 for this 150 points, a larger zone, but we have to safeguard ourselves, and hence for this 150 points, let's be watchful. Only if it trades above 33,500, expect that we are going to look at 586.50 levels. In fact, 750 cannot be denied if it trades above 33,600 levels, 6,580 levels. So take your trades accordingly. On the downside, below 33,350, more drop, 33,300, 150, 100 cannot be denied. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.